Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group, and in this video we are going to use a new service that I came across called AutoReel to take photos and turn them into video. This is specifically geared towards the real estate photo community. I came across this company at PMRE conference in Las Vegas that I just got back from, and we're going to check it out. So I've created an account. They did provide me with a free trial account. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a project, and then we're going to upload the photos, I'm assuming. So I'm going to take a shoot that I did of a house maybe a month or so ago, and we're going to call this the address, and we'll hit next. And it says import from Realtor or Zillow, so sure, we can try that. This house is currently, I think, under contract. It is. So let's take the URL and let's put it in here and do import. It's pretty cool that you can import from a URL. Let's see how this works. All right, and here you can see all the photos have been imported. So we'll hit next. And there's 55 available images. We can select 20. So let's select them. Now, I'm going to pick some random shots throughout the house. And we have 20 images selected. I'm going to hit next. Now we can choose an orientation, landscape, or portrait. We'll keep ours on landscape. For the background audio, there's a bunch of different selections we can pick from. I don't know if you can hear that okay. Pick that one. I really dislike choosing music just because there's too many options. All right, so version 25, our latest model, designed to provide more accurate results. Sure, we can pick that one. And I like the largest quality possible. We can put an intro text. I'm not going to pick that. And I don't want to do a profile or brand image. So we'll hit create video. And it says here, we will send an email once it's ready. So I will stop the video and we'll come back and take a look at it once the video is ready. All right, everybody. So maybe an hour or so after I hit the upload to submit this, we have a video. So we're going to take a look at it. I'm going to maximize it here and hit the play button. Now this is the first time I'm seeing this. there you have it. Using Autoreel's software, which is at autorealapp.com, you're able to see that we have a really good video. It was a minute long, and I don't see anything that needs to be revised here. So again, this is a really good video. I think on the next video I'm going to upload, I'll put some text in there so that there's some text on the screen. But again, I'm overall really satisfied with this. This video was used just taking a few still photos. So leave the comments below. Let me know what you think. If you find the video useful, please give it a thumbs up or share it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.